So here we are, exercise number 2. We will begin by draw this base. It's 100 by 60, how we see it. Draw these holes. Is space between them is 80 by 40, and here is 100 minus 80 is 20 by half is 10, 60, 20, 10 by 10. This hole by here. Okay, make it 4 holes. After that we will draw this one, this side, and make this circle, and after that chamfer, 2 chamfers by 10. So let's get started. Make a new part from plane. So we will do that rectangle. So how I said is 100 by 60. You can draw that circle, that holes. Do not put again the holes. So here is 10 by 10. Okay, the dimension didn't know. 3 holes by 6.8, and here is 5 inch millimeters. So 5. Okay, we go here on linear sketch pattern, choose this circle. So here we have 2, also here 2, and this Y direction. Between them we have 40 and 80. So by X we put here 40 and here 80. Okay, we give a full constraint 80 by 80. Okay, make this point with this point horizontal, this constraint, and this point with this point vertical, and it will be okay, I think. Yes. So now box extrude 5 millimeters features, box extrude 5 millimeters. Okay. Now we will do a plane. So we choose plane. In the middle we need here a plane. So we will choose 2 sides to give us the SolidWorks give automatically the half. So we choose these 2 sides, and SolidWorks give it the middle. Give OK. So we choose this plane, sketch, and see that this one. We forgot here, we'll draw the center line. We'll put after. We will hide this plane because it don't allow us to search the middle, hide it. Okay, select this edge, this point, and here we have midpoint. Okay, now we can do that second rectangle, make it symmetric with this center line. Okay, I don't know the size, we'll see now. Is 90 by 117 from all, so 90 117. So we choose dimension from here to here is 170, and here is 90. We can do now that chamfers. We can do now or after we in 3D models, but I will do it now. So go here, select this sketch chamfer. 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters is okay. Equal distance 1, 2. Okay, so now we can draw also that through 3 holes, these holes. Okay, so we'll draw now. You see that first one is 9, 52, 52, and diameter is 6.8. Here's that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We choose it. No, we give it a dimension 6.8. I said. Okay, now we choose it. Give a relation equal. Okay, now we will dimension. So here was 9. Okay, here 52. Yeah, so select this line with this point with this line, make it coincident. Also this point with this line. I told that it make it automatically, but it never make it. Never mind. Coincident. Okay, so now we will dimension this last hole, again 52. So that is it. Features, extrude. It's 6 millimeters. But now we will choose here mid plane, because we make it the mid plane. We need to make extrude that from middle plane. So that is it. We will choose a material if we want. Okay, isometric view, and this is it. See you in next examples. Cheers.